Good morning, Orange Grove families. I am Miss Glover, and I will be your 6th grade language arts teacher for this school year. I am so excited to meet you all on Monday, and I'm so very sorry that I'm not able to be there at open house tonight, as I am battling a medical condition that required an appointment today. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I have been teaching for 32 years, and I've been at Orange Grove for 9 years. I'm a mother of 2 children, one 29 and one 19, and a beautiful 3-year-old granddaughter. Teaching is my life, and I love teaching. I love meeting new students and learning with them on their educational journey. So I'm so excited to meet your child this year and to continue their middle school journey in language arts. Thank you for joining us for open house, and I wanted to share with you how the classroom is set up tonight. There are 6 stations that I'd like for you to stop by, and I'm going to just cover each station for you. The first station is our sign-in station. It's so very important that when you sign in, that you have signed your name, your child's name, and your email and phone number very clearly, as this is how I create my distribution email list to send out updates of what's going on in our classroom. Station 2 is a flip book that provides a lot of information for you, and I will be going over that information with you in this video tonight. One of the sheets in there is our classroom supplies. It's so very important that your child comes to school prepared every day with the supplies that they need. I also provided an individual classroom supply list so that you can take that shopping with you to create your supply list, your supplies for your students. In middle school, we do not have cubbies in our classroom, and we do not house supplies for the students. It is their responsibility to keep up with their supplies. So I highly recommend that you rent a locker for $5 so that your children are not carrying around heavy backpacks. The next table is our curriculum table, and we will be covering reading stories in our McGraw-Hill curriculum textbook, which is also known as Study Sync. We have, as you can see, that textbook is very large, so we will keep that book in the classroom for the students. Most of our work will come from the Study Sync program online, but we will utilize the book from time to time. Students have the ability to tear out the pages and put them in their notebooks so that they can annotate directly on the pages. So again, we will keep that textbook in the classroom with the students. In quarter 4, we will read A Long Walk to Water, which is a novel based out of, focusing on 2 characters based out of Sudan, Africa. You have the option. We have provided a class set for all of the students, which means they cannot write in the book. But you are also welcome to purchase a book. You can find it on Amazon for $8.99. I also upload the ebook and audio files for the book so that the students have multiple opportunities for success when we read our novel. Our next station is our parent homework station. This station is so very important, and it's for you parents. You are asked to complete a homework assignment for your child. It's always great for us to meet the students when they come to school and learn about the students from their perspective, but we also want to know, we want you to introduce your child to us. So this homework assignment gives you the opportunity to share anything that you think that we need to know to help your child be success. What are their strengths and weaknesses in reading? What are their strengths and weaknesses in writing? Do they like to read? Do they have a pet? Are they involved in extracurricular sports or activities outside of school? Are there any anxieties that we would need to know to help your child be successful in the classroom? These are the things that we would like to know, and you have the opportunity to share whatever you think is necessary to help us help your child. We are very big on arts integration into our classroom and to support the arts. So through our reading activities, students will have the opportunity to create projects that go along with many of our reading stories throughout the year. And then finally, since I'm so glad that you took the time to pop into our classroom, please stop by our popcorn table and take a bag. And I thank you for popping in. If you have any questions regarding Orange Grove and your transition for your child, please don't hesitate to contact me, as my email information is on the screen below. Thank you so much, and I look forward to meeting you in person. Have a great evening. Take care. Bye-bye.